me double more. Diesel winked at me like it knew the score. Home heating oil went straight out the door. Tax on the tank, tax on the heat, tax on the miles, tax on my feet. Wars on the news and the invoices climb every bloody week. Same old crime. It's a shambles at the pump. It's a shambles. It's a shambles at the pump. At the pump. The price goes up and the savings slump. It's a shambles at the pump. They talk excise duty with a smile and a pen. Carbon tax at dawn, then they slap it again. The lads at the depot say, don't look at me, then sell the same barrel at a robbery fee. Haul it in high, ship it out dear. Someone is a-laughing, but it isn't here. By the time it lands in the old front yard, you're paying for the road and the weather hard. It's a shambles at the pump. It's a shambles. It's a shambles at the pump. At the pump. The price goes up and the savings slump. It's a shambles at the pump. Hey! 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 Down on the bypass there were tractors in line. Fuel protest banners on a kettle of shine. Barrels and blockades and a horn or two. Old Mick shouted, bigger, what's the country to do? Then in marched the army like a joke gone wrong. Boots on the tarmac, sing-along song. The minister said, now keep calm, my friend. While the meter kept spinning around the bend. It's a shambles at the pump. It's a shambles. It's a shambles at the pump. At the pump. The price goes up and the savings slump. It's a shambles at the pump.